Now this, Rice University is leading a team that is developing a groundbreaking cancer device.
Yeah, the big hope is that one day the device could cut cancer deaths with immunotherapy by 50%. In Texas alone, 130,000 new cases of cancer are diagnosed every year. 42,000 people die each year from cancer. So the research at Rice could be game-changing. Sherman Chow is live at Rice University to explain. Sherman?
Yeah, we all know somebody impacted by cancer, and honestly, I got the chills listening to these researchers explain this device, which would be both a cancer detective and a drug factory implanted in your body. The team is nicknamed Thor, the device, HAMMR.
So this is actually a prototype of the HAMMR device.
Meet two of the principal investigators of the Thor team, Rice bioengineer Omid Veza and MD Anderson's Dr. Amir Jazari. They're working on the HAMMR, a small implant, maybe 3 inches long, carrying sensors to monitor often fast mutating cancer cells.
To get a real-time understanding of how are cancer cells changing so we can change in parallel.
The abdominal implant would also be a drug factory with live human cells already produced in biomanufacturing plants.
We know that we can program them to produce whatever biologic we want. And yeah, they'll be grown in a factory, loaded into the device. And when they reside in the abdomen, they are alive, meaning they get nutrients from your body, just like your other cells that exist, and then leverage that and turn it into the drugs.
The Thor team of 20 labs includes Houston's, Rice University, MD Anderson, and U of H. It's diverse, including folks from material sciences to AI to electrical engineering.
This device will communicate wirelessly with potentially a smartphone and also be chargeable externally.
Essentially how your iWatch charges today.
Put the charger on your belly, basically, by magnet?
Exactly.
All this allows doctors to
react to what's happening to the cancer, in hours and days rather than waiting for months.
Which is how long it can take now for cancer test results. Perhaps most remarkable, HAMMR should only be needed for 2 months.
So to me, that almost buried the lead, which is that if this works in 60 days, you can cure a patient of cancer.
That's the hope. Yeah. When immunotherapy works, the results are really dramatic. The cancer doesn't come back because now you've educated the immune system to fight that cancer.
Sounds kind of like science fiction, right? Well, keep in mind right now for diabetes patients, there are implantable glucose monitors as well as insulin pumps. Kind of the same idea. This $45 million grant comes from the Advanced Research Projects Agency, and the goal is to be in human trials within 5 years. The motto here at Rice University is unconventional wisdom. I think we're seeing some of that right here. Guys?
Truly incredible. Thank you so much, Sherman.